Hi, welcome to CAT. Today we will make this example on Solidworks by using both extrude feature and we will add appearance to it. So let's start. We will look at this 2D sketch. It's shown here that we will make a rectangle 40 millimeter by 60 millimeters. So let's start. I will go to sketch and select top plane to start with it. I will choose rectangle. Then I will start drawing a rectangle from origin and I will add dimensions. It's 60 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Now I will draw a circle, 3 points from this edge and this edge and this edge. It's defined as 40 millimeters diameter. Then I will go trim and delete extra line of circle and rectangle. You will see that rectangle's line turn it to blue. We will make it black again to be defined. We'll define everything from origin point. It's 30 and this is 20 millimeters. It's 20 also. Now I need here to define the origin of circle. I'm defining circle from the right line. If we see the drawing here, we see some inclined lines. We will draw in this sketch. This first line. This point. I will define this dimension. .30 and I trim the extra line to the rectangle. I know I need extra trims and I will define rectangle many times, but I do this example in Solidworks fast. So let's continue. I'll define blue lines again. There is a extra 2 lines, 10 millimeter. I will draw it. It's inclined to the other direction. And the second line is parallel to it. And it's 10 millimeter distance. They are parallel. Distance from here to here it's 10 millimeters. My type of drawing in SolidWorks is to draw the whole sketches if we will use the same plane, then I will extrude part by part. So here I go into extrude all area by 10 millimeters. Then for the same sketch, I will extrude second area by 30 millimeters from the ground. And third area is 40 millimeters from the ground. Here we are. Now it's the same as 2D sketches. Now we'll add appearance to it. I like to add yellow color. So I went to plastic, I gloss, I choose here. I choose the last feature, but I will choose all features and select yellow color. Here we are. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Bye.